Can you hear me? Okay, that's better. Hi, my name's Juliet. And today I'm going to talk to you about changing the language of your Scrivener project. Scrivener is set up to take your system language. There may be occasions on which you don't want that language, but you want to choose another one. Go to File, Options, General, Language, and you'll have a list. What? 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 Should I?
Your mission depends upon it.
Recent missions. Teleport? Yes, please. Oh, I can create 2 of me. That'll help with the writing.
One person converted. Now it's your turn. You will press that button. You will press that button. You will...
Oh, I'm back. That was weird. I just imagined I was... Never mind. Thanks for watching, and if you...
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.